For this Teach It video, I decided to do 2-1A number 15, and it says complete the truth table below to determine whether the negation P and negative Q is the negation of if P then Q. So to start off, they give you a chart and we have to complete it. So that is what I will be doing today. So you start off with P and then Q and make a table. So there's 4 options: true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So the first one is negative Q. So all you do is you look at Q and you do the opposite. So it'd be false, true, false, true. The next one is P and negative Q. So you write P and negative Q. And that you have to look at this one, P and negative Q. So true, false equals a false. True, true is always true. False, false is true. And then false, true is false. The next one is negative P and then negative Q. And so for those, you look at this one and you negate the P. So you get false, true, true, false. And then for if P then Q, the only one that is ever false is the one where the P is true and the Q is false. So though it would go true, false, false, false. And then the last one is negative P, if P then Q. And for that it goes false, true, false, false. So when it asks if P and negative Q is the negation of if P then Q, you look at this one and you look at this one, and you can see that true does not go with, or false does not go with true, true doesn't go with false, and so on and so forth. So the answer would be no, they are not the same, because they obviously don't have the same true and falses, and so these negations are not equivalent to each other.